my mathematics online tutorial, and in today's class we are still talking about complex numbers, but specifically Argand diagram. You know, when complex numbers are plotted, we have what we call Argand diagram. So we want to represent complex numbers diagrammatically. So look at it now. You're like in secondary school mathematics, where we have what's it called, graph. We want to plot graph. We have y-axis and then we have what, x-axis. But here, the vertical line, the y-axis, is called the imaginary side. If it's positive, yeah. So and the real, the x-axis is always called the real. What's it called? The x-axis is always called the real part of a complex number. Look at it again. The y-axis, which is this vertical, is always called the imaginary. When it is positive, our mind will now go from here to here. But if it is negative, it's going to be from here to this place. So this is, let me just put it, this is also imaginary, but for negative this thing. Then here, if the real is negative, we talk about this side. Real, when it's negative. The imaginary, when the is negative. Now look at it. So z is equals to x plus iy. X here is the real part. Because x is positive, that is why we mark this place. This is my x. Look at y. Y is here. So this point, z is equals to x plus iy, is this very point. Now, this is a general case, that is a generic case. Let's look at a particular case. For example, we're given this complex number z is equals to 2 plus 3i. So we want to present this on an Argand diagram. What are we going to do? Look at it. So this is imaginary part of the z, and this is the real part of what? The complex number. This is 0. Look at it very well. This is what? 2. The x is 2. This is the real, and this is real. So we can remember this is not drawn to scale. So this is my 2. Then 3 is the imaginary part because of this I that's attached to it. So we call this place 3. If you like, you can as well say this is your 3. There's no problem. So now we will join these together. Alright, so z, so now z equal to 2 plus 3i. You see now? So this is the Argand diagram representation of this complex number. Mind you, what makes this one to be imaginary is the I that's attached to it. Bye.